Let's begin with a powerful idea. Just like a nursery is designed to protect, nourish, and nurture new life, so is the female reproductive system. From producing the egg to housing a developing baby and enabling birth, it's nature's most remarkable life-supporting system. In this video, we'll explore each part, step by step, of the female reproductive system as described in your Class 12 biology book. The female reproductive system is located in the pelvic region and consists of 2 ovaries, 2 fallopian tubes, also called oviducts, the uterus, cervix, and vagina, external genitalia, and mammary glands. These organs are not only structurally integrated but also functionally coordinated to support ovulation, fertilization, pregnancy, childbirth, and postnatal care. The ovaries are the primary female sex organs. Located on either side of the lower abdomen, each ovary is about 2 to 4 centimeters long. They are connected to the pelvic wall and uterus by ligaments. Internally, an ovary has a thin outer epithelium and ovarian stroma divided into a peripheral cortex where follicles develop an inner medulla. Rich in blood vessels, ovaries produce both the female gamete, ovum, and steroid hormones like estrogen and progesterone. Next come the fallopian tubes, also called oviducts. Each is about 10 to 12 centimeters long. These tubes connect the ovaries to the uterus and are the site of fertilization. The fallopian tube has 3 parts: infundibulum, the funnel-shaped end near the ovary, with finger-like projections called fimbriae that collect the ovum; ampulla, the wider middle section where fertilization usually occurs; isthmus, a narrow region that connects to the uterus. Think of this tube as a conveyor belt, guiding the ovum from the ovary to the uterus. The uterus, also called the womb, is a strong, muscular organ shaped like an inverted pear. It opens into the vagina through a narrow neck called the cervix. Together, the cervical canal and vagina form the birth canal. The wall of the uterus has 3 layers: perimetrium, the outer membrane; myometrium, a thick layer of smooth muscle that contracts during delivery; endometrium, the inner lining that thickens during the menstrual cycle and supports implantation during menstruation. The endometrium is shed if fertilization doesn't occur. During pregnancy, it becomes the home for the developing embryo. The external genitalia, also known as the vulva, includes mos pubis, a cushion of fatty tissue with pubic hair; labia majora, outer skin folds; labia minora, inner folds protecting the vaginal opening; hymen, a thin membrane that may or may not be present, not a reliable indicator of virginity; clitoris, a sensitive structure similar to the male penis. These parts serve as the entrance to the internal reproductive system and play a role in protection and sexual stimulation. Now let's talk about the mammary glands, which are essential for postnatal nourishment. These are paired glands that contain 15 to 20 lobes, each with clusters of alveoli. Alveoli secrete milk stored in their cavities, or lumens. Milk flows from alveoli. Mammary tubules, ducts, mammary ampulla, lactiferous duct, nipple. During pregnancy and after childbirth, hormones like prolactin and oxytocin stimulate milk production and ejection. The first milk, or colostrum, is rich in antibodies. To sum it all up, the ovaries produce eggs and hormones, the fallopian tubes transport the egg, the uterus houses the embryo, the external genitalia and mammary glands support childbirth and child care from ovulation to pregnancy, and even after birth. The female reproductive system is a complete life support unit, beautifully adapted to create and nurture life.